Okay. Good work, guys, good work. All that paper getting collected on the floor.
Get some fill up here.
No, that's phase 2.
No, that.
I know, no, not yet. Send it to Dorothy. Yeah. Yeah, go. Now come. Okay. Beans, mash, beans, 3 hot wings for waiting for 2 minutes, and 4 chips.
Oh.
Good, isn't it? That's what I'm telling you, better value, isn't it?
Oh.
See, I know what to do.
Oh.
And he's started, he can't stop. He's been at it now for 35 hours straight. No sleep, no rest, no food, only water, and water for the walls. Good. Cause I like it like that. Yeah, I'll tell you when I'm recording. No problem. Hungry. Today we eat. This is the first supper. Oh no.
Yeah, Dad bought a spoon. They were in here, spoons.
So when you don't have electric, you can roll on water onto the walls with a roller, and that should soak in the wallpaper. If it doesn't, you'll have to do about 4 rounds of it. So you keep soaking it again and again and again, and then it'll make it easier to take it off, or easier. When your workers are motivated, but then even the tools are motivated too. I don't know how that's staying on there, but it sucked onto the thing. Cool. Okay. Guys, so a tip would be, if you don't have a steamer, you can use a normal steamer that is used for upholstery. It works just as well. Oh, damn, it's hit me. So, close call, almost knocked her out. How was it, Leon? That's the progress for now. So moving on to the dining room / open plan to the kitchen room. Our room's all done on the lower half, and we got to do the top half when we get the scaffolding thing that we ordered. It's over 3 meters tall. So that would be about 2 meters where the door is, and then another meter there. 3.3 meters almost. Time to do the bottom part of the stairs. Comes off nicely. Good. Here you go, Dad. You worked hard. Worker of the year. Okay, enjoy.